Hi guys, this is Miryam, the dietitian behind the food blog Eat Good for Life. Today I have partnered with Nuts.com to bring you a series of healthy videos, and today we're going to be talking about coconut oil, the benefits and the uses of coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the few foods that can be classified as a superfood. Its unique combination of fatty acids has a positive profound effect on our health, from brain function to heart health, to increasing our energy expenditure, to fat loss. A lot of people complain about the saturated fat in coconut oil. The saturated fat in coconut oil, it is harmless. It is different than the saturated fat in heavy cream, in butter, in cheese, and it's due to because it's made out of medium-chain triglycerides, which means that it gets digested in the body differently. They go straight into the liver, which can be used almost immediately for energy. Now let me show you a few recipes using coconut oil. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple chocolate bar. All you need are 4 ingredients: about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, about 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, about 1/3 of a cup of chopped nuts, any nuts of your choice. In this case I'm using pistachios, and about 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil that has been melted. So once you have poured all the ingredients into the bowl, just make sure that you mix through until the cocoa powder has been dissolved. This shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. Once all the ingredients have been combined, just pour the mixture into a parchment-lined baking sheet and sprinkle some extra nuts over the chocolate. Freeze this mixture for about 10 to 20 minutes until it solidifies. So there you have it, guys. It's chocolate bark using coconut oil. All you need are 4 simple ingredients in just 5 minutes. And remember that the saturated fat in coconut oil, it is harmless. It is actually very good for you. And while making cookies and cakes, you can actually sub the butter for coconut oil. If you like this video and would like to see more healthy tips and recipes, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to Nuts.com. Until the next one, see you later.